Good morning, everyone. Today I'm going to explain you some of the topics of motion chapter, and the name of the topic is angular displacement. Now, before understanding angular displacement, let's recall the definition of displacement. What do you mean by displacement? Shortest distance covered by any object is known as displacement. कोई भी body जो shortest path cover करती है, that is known as displacement. This is a vector quantity. SI unit is meter. In the same way, the shortest distance covered by an object but the motion is rotational is known as angular displacement. जब भी कोई body वही displacement cover करे but वो displacement कैसे path पर हो, circular path पर हो, then it will be known as angular displacement. Circular motion, I have already explained you that whenever a body is moving in a circular path with uniform speed, that is known as uniform circular motion. अच्छा, जब एक पार्टिकल सर्कुलर पाथ पर मूव करता है तो हम उसको बोलते हैं सर्कुलर मोशन. एंड व्हेन अ सिस्टम ऑफ पार्टिकल्स का सिस्टम, क्राउड जब सर्कुलर पाथ पर मूव करता है, दैट इज नोन एज रोटेशनल मूवमेंट. Like if a fan is moving, then we'll call it rotational motion. But if we talk about the blades of fan or a single particles of the fan of the blade, then it will be known as circular motion. अगर हम as a whole fan की बात करें तो हम बोलेंगे the fan is in rotational motion. But if we are talking about the particular blade, then it is known as circular motion. Now let's define it. Angular displacement in a proper definition. An object moving from A to B. Let us consider that there is a circular track. This is the center of the body O. The radius is R. Initially the body is at A. After covering a displacement of S, the body moves to B. And in this case, it is covering a distance AB. And the rotational displacement AOB, ये दो तरीके के डिस्प्लेसमेंट कवर कर रही है. एक तो AB which is the arc, and the second one is the rotational displacement which is AOB and denoted by theta. So theta is here is an angle. यहाँ पर जो ये theta है, this is a angle. ये क्या है? एक angle. So an object moving from A to B moves through an angle of theta. This is known as angular displacement. जब वही displacement किसी circular path पर cover होता है and that particular angle which is subtended at the center, जो center पर angle बनता है, that is known as angular displacement. It is measured in radians. जैसे displacement की SI unit meter होती है, in the same way angular displacement की SI unit is radian. And the formula is theta is equals to length of the arc AB and radius of the circle OA. So theta will be equals to length is S and radius is R. If S is equals to R, means the body has covered the distance equal to its radius, then theta will be equals to R upon R and this will be equals to 1 radian. So remember, whenever the body is moving in a circular path, then the angle which is subtended at the center will give you the value of angular displacement. Now in the similar way, I will explain you angular velocity. Before explaining angular velocity, remember what do you mean by velocity? Change displacement per unit time is known as velocity. This I have explained to you earlier कि displacement per unit time is known as velocity. In the same way, angular displacement per unit time is known as angular velocity. Rate of change of angular displacement is known as angular velocity. Whenever the word rate is written here, it means that the quantity is divided by time. And angular velocity is denoted by omega. This is the symbol of omega. W से शो करते हैं और इसको omega बोलते हैं. This is the symbol of angular velocity, which is omega. So omega is equals to theta upon t, where theta is angular displacement and t is the time. So rate of change of angular displacement is known as angular velocity. Now we know that the SI unit of theta is radian, the SI unit of time is second. So the SI unit of angular velocity will be equals to radian per second. Now next is angular acceleration. In the similar way, आप acceleration याद करिए. What is acceleration? Acceleration is change in velocity per unit time. In the similar way, change in angular velocity per unit time is known as angular acceleration. The rate of change of angular velocity is called angular acceleration. It is denoted by alpha. This is the symbol for alpha. It can be made like this. इस तरीके से बनाया जा सकता है. It is denoted by alpha. The formula will be angular acceleration equals to change in angular velocity upon time taken. Alpha is equals to change in angular velocity denoted by omega upon change in time. Now remember, what is the SI unit of angular velocity? Radian per second. This we have written here. And the SI unit of time is second. So when this second will come down, this will change into second square. So the SI unit of angular acceleration is radian per second square. So similarly, we can easily understand that velocity is displacement per unit time. Acceleration is change in velocity per unit time. If we will add the word angular here, अगर हम यहाँ पर angular word add कर दें, so this will become angular velocity. And in the similar way, if we will add the word angular change in angular velocity per unit time, then this is known as angular acceleration. Thank you.